It may seem as though I'm picking on Australia, but the story behind the shark cull had to be told, and I'm perfectly aware that we have our own shark conservation problems right here in the United States. Right now I'm standing on one of the many fishing piers in Florida where catching sharks is illegal, but happens every night anyway. And almost weekly, you see a new photo on the web of a protected species being pulled onto shore with the fisherman posing next to it. How does this continue to happen? Well, as long as it was accidental, there are no consequences. Maybe these are accidents, maybe they aren't. But it stands to reason that if there are no repercussions for having these accidents, the rate of accidents is going to remain higher than if there were repercussions. And what about shark fishing tournaments? You might as well call that the tournament of accidents. Some people might even go as far as to call it a cull, except with prizes. After all, fishermen are targeting breeding age animals. In fact, the blacktip shark tournament targets sharks that are migrating to bays and estuaries where they intend to mate and give birth, and they're being caught in the middle of that life cycle. Among the victims was an endangered species, the scalloped hammerhead, which Game and Wildlife tried to bury on the beach, only to be discovered, and then these photos that were sent to me anonymously show that they dug it up again to drag it out into the ocean. And of course, no fine was given because it was an accident. The shark died while it was being released is the official reason given for no fine. The bottom line is that you have an endangered species that died directly from activity that is legal. And then the tournament founder or an opportunistic scientist come in and say the words conservation, research, and scientific data as though it's some sort of a magic wand that wipes away anything bad that might have been there before. Oh, those are big words. Must be important, and sharks are going to be saved by killing them. That's good news for me because I like going out and killing sharks, and now I can pat myself on the back and say that I'm a conservationist. Does anyone actually think that we are data deficient when it comes to shark populations in decline? Do you think that there is some mysterious bacteria in the ocean that is wiping sharks out, and we need DNA samples in order to figure out how to save them from this? No. Sharks need to be saved from us. You can take DNA samples until we've all gone extinct, and it won't change the fact that the way that you stop sharks from dying is to stop killing them. We are the problem. People killing sharks. Fishermen killing sharks. Longliners killing sharks. Trophy hunters targeting the best, healthiest, largest, most genetically worthy to reproduce sharks being wiped out. Are we really a society that lets Rosie O'Donnell tell us what the word endangered means? What do you think we need more? Another paper in the archives that no one's going to read, or to allow healthy sharks to reproduce?